If you are a business owner, startup founder, or someone who's about to start vibe coding with Python, don't just open an AI assistant and start writing random code. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly set up a clean Python project using UV, add your dependencies, and start building your first feature with AI. I'll be doing everything on Debian Linux, but the overall workflow is very similar on the other operating systems too. So let's get started. So first, let's create a Python project. So we'll name it as business project. Okay, now we'll be moving into that project that we have created just now. Now let me show you how it looks like by opening my VS Code. See, it's completely empty right now. There's nothing. We have this interface of VS Code and then a folder name, just this. Now we'll be creating our Python files by using UV. So for that we'll need to initialize UV by UV init. UV init. Okay, so now we have initialized our UV package manager. Now we got some files like gitignore, Python versions, main.py, pyproject.toml, and readme. So gitignore, you already know that these are some of the things that we need to exclude. Python version is the current version, main.py is our entry point where we'll write our code. pyproject.toml is very important file where we'll be giving name, version, description, and dependencies, like that the things we need to include in our project like FastAPI, Ubicon, etc. Now let us implement our virtual environment by writing the command of uvven. It isolates our Python project by other Python projects so that we can work easily and independently over other projects. So for activating it, we get a command by using source.when activate. By this we'll be able to activate our Python project, which is business project. The name of virtual environment is business project, that is why it is written there. Yeah, now let me show you. So you can see that we have implemented the when environment. You can see at the top, and all the things that we'll be doing are all inside this. So for that, let me add FastAPI and show you how it gets inside it. Now if we see the toml file, we can see that FastAPI is already here. Now let me show you another one by adding OpenAI. So now let's see the toml file again and see how it's included. See, you can see here OpenAI is already here. Now let's sync into this. This automatically resolves all the packages with each other and get the best dependencies together so that we doesn't get any issue out of it. Now all the things are ready. Let me show you how you can start to vibe code it. Right, so I'll give a simple prompt which is, can you implement a FastAPI route, which is responsible for adding user in a dictionary. Also let's do something with readme also. So I'll write a short readme of it, then I'll press enter. So the AI agent will start to implement the things that we have asked for. It will first read our project directory, what files are already there, what needs to be done, how it will approach this. Many things will be done by that AI agent, and at the end we get our main API where we have asked for the task. Now the readme, we have asked for it, perfectly done. It has implemented both the tasks that we have asked for, whether it was the FastAPI route or the readme file. Then we'll finally keep all the changes, and this is how you can start to implement your features and also start to make applications like this. It is simple. So for this, let me get a quick recap for you. You need to create a business project first, then you need to go into that project directory, then you can initialize through UV package manager. You can then implement a virtual environment through UV when activated. Then You can add dependencies and also start to whiteboard it, and then you can also run different files by uv command, by uv run main py or uvcon, anything. And that's it. In just a few minutes we have gone from an empty folder to a proper Python project with its own environment, dependencies, and even our first feature. If you like this video and want more quick practical implementation videos like this, let me know in comments, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.